Hi, I'm Eldrin Arguelles and I'm here to present to you a paper entitled Developing Insights in Bella Janici bloom. DNA metabarcoding provides insights on microbial diversity and its potential threat. Simbella janici is an invasive benthic diatom species causing a nuisance bloom similar to that of roc's knot formed by Didymospina geminata, and it's being considered as a major threat for Japan's freshwater ecosystem. To date, only limited information is available on the possible causes of bloom formation of Simbella janici in rivers. It is suggested that moth-associated microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, and diatoms could play an important role in bloom formation. Thus, the objectives of this study is to identify key species associated with Simbella janici blooms using DNA metabarcoding and assess the effects of Simbella janici blooms on diversity, assembly, and potential functions of microbial communities. 7 sampling sites were considered in this study. 2 types of samples were collected in each sampling sites. The samples were then further analyzed for DNA extraction and PCR using different marker genes, after which metabarcoding was done using QIIME2, and analysis such for alpha and beta diversity, left set, and co-occurrence network analysis was also conducted. Microbial diversity analysis showed that bloom of Simbella janici is associated with a decrease in species richness and evenness of microbial community. Overall, the presence and colonization of Simbella janici in rivers causes a reduction in diatom and bacterial diversity, but not in fungi. LEPSA analysis also documented a total of 71 microbial taxa that are enriched in Simbella janici mat. And these identified microbial species are documented as phytohormone and nutrient producers that supports the growth of Simbella janici. Results of the co-occurrence network analysis showed a positive interaction for Flavobacterium and Lichapalacea, showing a cooperative or synergistic relationship towards Simbella janici. On the other hand, a negative interaction was observed for Melasara variants and Celabora nigri, showing a competitive or antagonistic relationship. Co-occurring and differentially abundant species of Simbella janici mats includes Flavobacterium, Lichapalacea, and Celabora nigri. These ASBs are not only differentially abundant, but also play an important role in ecological interactions within Simbella janici mats. In conclusion, geographical co-occurrence between microbes and Simbella janici suggests that specific microbiota may be associated with formation of Simbella janici mats. The presence and colonization of Simbella janici in rivers cause a reduction in diatom and bacterial diversity, but not in fungi. Thank you very much.